Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you're new, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you like it. So this is how my balcony currently looks, and this is what I did. I went to your favorite nursery, the one here in Pune, the video which you guys really liked, the Central Nursery. So let me take you on a trip to the nursery again. This is my balcony. There is a big thing, swing, blocking everything. So this is supposed to be my vertical garden, but as you can see, everything's dead except for that one. Oops. That one there. Yeah, pretty much dead. That the wind got to that one, so everything's dead. I have lost all my plants and I need to get more plants and give this balcony a makeover. Everything's dead. So first I have to start with clearing all these things out. Let's go. So almost 45 minutes later, I am done with all the cleaning. I'll just show you how it looks, and I'm hot, tired. I'm gonna take a shower and then we are gonna pop into your favorite nursery, the government Central Nursery in Pune University. Before that, I'll show you what is there. This is all the mess. Yep. Gardening is a messy affair. We'll have to clean this before I pop into the shower, but I just wanted to show you. So these are all my empty pots up here. All my empty pots. I just didn't empty this one because it was a very fertilizer rich pot, if I can remember correctly. But yeah, I've got approximately 22 of these, about 22 of these. So yeah, just save the ones which are still alive, and I'll show you what I've done actually with all the mud. So I've put all the mud, removed all the dead twigs and plants and roots and everything, and I've mixed it with my homemade, well, partially homemade compost, which was in this matka. You can see this is all almost partially decomposed. So I'm gonna leave all this mud in this big red tub. I'm gonna turn it and everything and mix it with more fertilizer, and then we're going to use that to pot the plants which I'm gonna get. और ये वाले कौन से हैं? ये भी कितना क्यूट है, देखना। ये सब पूरा साल रहता है। आणि हे जे आहे हे काय आहे?
त्याचे बी
केवढं कालो आहे.
जो बिगुड़े
बेगुनिया
ये कुंडी का था
कुंडी में कितने का है ये?
60 रुपये 60
हाँ। Snake plant, Sansevieria. Plants from my favorite nursery, the Central Nursery in Pune University, and just doing some unboxing, or well, removing the plastics. So I'm gonna pot all of these and we'll show you how it looks. A lovely Dracaena. My swing is trying to kill me. So this is a lovely Dracaena. It grows really tall and it's not something which grows, but more of a longitudinal thing. So I'm going to try and put it in a wider one because the roots really will branch out and I don't want to keep repotting it every year. I'm going to put this in this pot. Root bound. See these lovely root system. One thing it tells you that it's a healthy plant because it's trying to grow out and spread out. But another thing it tells you, need to pot it in a big pot. Generally nursery plants are quite root bound because obviously they're trying to save up on space, but it doesn't flare or umbrella plant. See the new growth, it's a really healthy plant. These leaves look a bit tired, but that's because usually nurseries they take nearby water body and those have got hard water, so they leave these white spots, but a good rinsing and everything will just make it new. So see you there. Oh my god, finally my balcony is done. So this is how the swing is looking right now. Got some old cushions, got an old blouse piece which I had and just covered up the rough edges. It's good to go. And the beauty now, this is what my beautiful vertical garden looks like right now. all my lovely plants. Got some herbs, some colorful plants, some herbs again. So altogether, let's count how many shells are these. 1, 2. Well, this is not really a shelf area, so wouldn't count it. Sorry, 1 minute. 3, 4, and the last one down there, 5. So this is how the overview is. So I basically get this entire part out here for my plants, because as I enter from my balcony, I need to keep this space for my clothes and everything. This is for the swing for somebody to just sit, and if we do not have our clothes out here, then we can just get some more sitting areas and have a nice cup of tea in the evening. So this is the only wall or only side that I could work with, but I think I've tried to do as much as I could. Now please bear in mind, all these plants except for the basil and the rosemary, where are you, oops, the rosemary out here, except for these two which are from Green Tokri, everything else is from the Central Nursery. So this entire project has cost me about, if I remove the Green Tokri plants, then this entire project has cost me just 220 rupees. All these plants out here, the planters are all recycled. It's all from my old plants. This bed sheet was an old one which was just lying. Cushions were already there at home. This is just a blouse piece which was just lying around. This lovely stand, this is actually called bartan stand or the utensil stand. So I'll just try to recycle and upcycle it. So nothing here has been bought apart from the plants, and I'm happy with how it looks. It took me almost let's say 2 hours to get this balcony to the state that it's in, but I'm so pleased, so pleased, so pleased, so pleased. There are some of my lovely pothos here, some of my lovely herbs, because I love to cook with fresh herbs. And down here is this cute little buddy. This is the only flower plant I got. Sorry, please excuse my nail. I lost a few nails to gardening. But yeah. So please stick around for sorry for the noise. Please stick around for another video where I explain and introduce all of these plants out here. What are they called, how much each plant was for, and also how to take care of them, because by then I would have had all these plants for at least 10 days, and most of these plants are new for me as well. So I'm just going to give it a nice test run for about 10 days and see how it is looking. Oh, that's a lovely begonia out there. Yep. So please stay tuned, and if you like this video, please help me make more of such videos. Please help me get some more inspiration by talking to you guys via comments, and please consider subscribing if you want to stick around to see a few more things about my life. Until then, stay cookie.